In this video, you'll learn how to search for classes and build your schedule using ClassFinder. You can use the general public ClassFinder, found under the Programs dropdown on the homepage, to look up classes, but you will not see if seats are available. To see this information, log in to your My Okanagan account and navigate to the ClassFinder in the Student Resources and Link channel. To get started, select the term you want to search. Next, you'll want to select your campus. Then you can select the subject. You can select a single subject by clicking the subject, or you can select multiple subjects by holding down the Control key and clicking on each of the subjects you want to search. You can select specific instructors by selecting the instructor's name, or keep all instructors selected to generate the most results. If you know the course number, you can enter it here. To search multiple course numbers, separate them with a comma. You can also search for a course reference number. If you want to search multiple CRNs, separate them with a comma. Use the keyword search to search the course names and description by specific keywords. Once you've modified your requirements, click on the search button. For information about the course, click on the course name. The status of the course can be found here. If it says available, that means seats are available. If it says full, that means it is full with no waitlist. If it says waitlist, that means it's waitlisted. The number following waitlist represents the number of people on the waitlist. To add a course to your schedule, simply click on the CRN or Add button. Click on Add Another Course to add additional courses to your schedule, or back to Search for a new search criteria and results. If your chosen course has a lab, you must select both components of the course. You will not be automatically added to a lab. To find the corresponding lab, look for the course number followed by an L and number. For example, the course ASTR 111001 has a corresponding lab of ASTR 111L01. Note that the entries made here are not connected to the actual course registration process. They are for course planning purposes only. Print this page or take note of the CRNs of the courses you would like to register in and complete the registration process in your My Okanagan account under Registration in the Online Services channel.